Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Habitat. We will now start tonight's show. Before that, please keep your phones on silent mode and please remember, flash photography and video recording is not allowed during the show. Please put your hands together and welcome the opening act of the night, Ashu Rachna School of Improv.
Guys, थोड़ा सा request है guys, please just occupy the seats in the front, please. If you guys can just move on to the front, please. Thank you so much, guys. आ जाओ आगे. Please, ma'am, please, yes. Please, थोड़ा आगे, please.
In improv, we don't drag the first.
Yeah, we are not going to do anything here. Don't worry. Perfect. If you can just occupy this, please, Chanti. Wonderful, guys. Thank you so much for doing this. I love you guys. A big round of applause for everybody. Alright, we are representing Ashu Rachna School of Improv. My name is Asad Khan.
My name is Anand Bagaria.
I'm Rashi.
Alright, and we are here for something really special for you guys. So आप लोग में से किसने improv देखा है? Rather than 3 people, 4 people, 5 people? Lovely. किसी ने improv नहीं देखा आज तक? Great. So what is improv? Improv is basically making things up on the spot. Alright? And we're gonna present something really nice for you guys. We're gonna create something on the spot for you guys. And what we're going to do here is something with Mr. Anand and Mrs. Rashi here, because they are married in real life, guys. Around applause.
Yeah.
They're married in real life, and what we're going to do is something called marriage counseling.
Also in real life.
Also in real life. They're going through a lot of problems in their life, guys, and we're going to bring it out all here tonight on stage for you guys to see. Alright? And for this, I will request Anand and Rashi to please step out of the room now. Please, thank you so much. Please, guys, please. Right. So, why I'm sending them out, guys, is because they are going through a lot of trouble, okay, in their life. And यहाँ पे अपन उनके लिए एक अच्छा सा काउंसलिंग सेशन कुछ करने वाले हैं। उन लोगों की लाइफ में इतना प्रॉब्लम है, एक दूसरे से बहुत खफा है लोग, ठीक है, बहुत तकलीफ है। थिंग इज दे आर कमिंग टू द थेरेपिस्ट का जो ऑफिस उस पे आ रहे हो लोग, एंड ओवर हियर दे आर गोइंग टू फाइंड द सॉल्यूशंस टू एवरीथिंग। ऑलराइट, थिंग इज कि इनको नहीं पता है, बिकॉज दे आर आउट, इनके लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम एग्जैक्टली है क्या। ऑलराइट, एंड ये जो प्रॉब्लम्स है आप लोग बताएंगे क्या है। ऑलराइट, सो टेल मी, so what is the one thing that Rashi really hates about Anand? तो आनंद कुछ कर रहा है लाइफ में उसके जो राशि को बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद। Something really silly. रियल लाइफ में एकदम silly, फालतू सा। वो उसका मोबाइल चार्जर यूज करता है अपने फोन को चार्ज करने के लिए। Lovely, perfect. We will use that, and this is really bothering Rashi, right? Perfect. Now, what is the one thing that Rashi is doing, or she wants to do, whatever, that is really bothering Anand? Toothbrush. Sorry? Cooks badly. अच्छा, कौन सी ऐसी स्पेसिफिक चीज है जो एकदम खराब बनाता है? नहीं, कोई एक स्पेसिफिक चीज बताइए। चाय। ओके, ठीक है। सो कौन जो आनंद बनाता है चाय, राइट? ओके, आनंद इज मेकिंग, नहीं, जो आनंद, राशि इज मेकिंग सम रियली हॉरिबल चाय, ओके, रियली हॉरिबल चाय, एंड आनंद इज यूजिंग राशि's फोन का चार्जर टू चार्ज हिज फोन, ठीक है? ये लोग की लाइफ में बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है। दे डोंट नो वो क्या है प्रॉब्लम, दे आर गोइंग टू गेस एवरीथिंग, ऑलराइट? एंड बेस्ड ऑन द इंटरेक्शंस दैट दे हैव इन दिस, इनका थेरेपिस्ट का जो अपॉइंटमेंट है उसके बेसिस पे दे आर गोइंग टू गेस इट, ऑलराइट? नाउ व्हाइल दे आर गेसिंग, दे ऑब्वियसली लोग तो कुछ भी भलता बोल देंगे। व्हेन दे आर क्लोज टू गेसिंग, ठीक है, तो आप लोग सब लोग मिलकर बोलेंगे वो, ठीक है, क्या बोलेंगे? जब क्लोज आ रहे हो, ठीक है, एंड जब एक्चुअल में गेस कर दिया सब लोग ताली बजा के गुड एंड व्हेन दे आर फार अवे जैसे दूर दूर तक सही नहीं बोला उन्होंने तो आप लोग बोलेंगे ठीक है करके वो लोग को अपने को एनकरेज करना है कूल क्लियर इंस्ट्रक्शंस लवली एक्साइटेड गाइस यस लेट्स कॉल आनंद एंड राशि बैक and this is set up at the therapist ka clinic and we'll see how this goes. Oh yes come my favorite couple. Anand, thank you for coming. Rashi,
You picked a side already.
Rashi, give me your hand.
This is where the cooperation starts.
No.
All my clients are equally important to me.
Did you kiss Anand? Did you kiss him? I don't get it.
Rashi, take it easy. We worked on this last week. Look at Anand, look at everyone. We are all in this together. Tell me. It's okay. Everything is falling apart just like your marriage. It's fine. Listen to me, Rashi. Listen to me, Anand. Do you all love each other?
We have to.
It is something that should come from within.
We're legally bound to.
But you do feel we have worked on this. Let's not go backwards here.
Yes, I admit I was wrong, but I'm ready to make amends.
Good. Tell me, Rashi, why is it that you do what you do?
It makes me happy. It is the one thing in this entire world that gives me happiness, and he wants me to stop doing it?
Why does doing something so inherently stupid give you so much happiness, Rashi?
Because it's inherently stupid. He's inherently stupid. I like doing him once.
And if I call her stupid, I'm somehow the problem.
Rashi.
I'm just pointing out what's true.
Okay. Fine, no problem. Anand, why is it that you do what you do?
That's where I feel free. I truly feel free.
This is what gives you freedom?
That's everyone's a different person. We can't be judgmental here, man. That's how I grew up.
Anand, you need to be self-sufficient. Anand.
That's what I'm trying to do.
How is it that you're being self-sufficient? By doing what nobody does.
Because see, it's what brings peace to myself. Okay, I went to this spiritual retreat in Goa where I met this. I went to a gym recently, and basically what I did is I just meditated.
Meditated.
Yeah, and I got this.
Meditated? Like, seriously?
आप सर ग्रामर भी करा लो हमारा.
Meditated?
It's okay. आपको क्या चाहिए?
पैसा,
आपको क्या चाहिए?
फेम,
आपको क्या चाहिए?
सेक्स, तीनों नहीं मिल रही है सर.
Rashi,
Yes.
do you love Anand? Do you love him to a point where you would be willing to give something that is belonging to you, but he wants to use it?
I am not giving him my kidney. I am not giving him my mother's precious jewels.
एक फरारी तो मांग रहा हूँ तुमसे.
इतना बेसिक चीजें मांग ली होती तो दे भी दी होती, बट ये बहुत ही पर्सनल चीज है. ये करने से it is clearly bothering her to a point where she's considering divorce. Anand,
ठीक है, मैं उसका चादर नहीं मांगूंगा. हर हाफ ऑफ द
क्या बोला आपने?
चादर
चादर
चादर यस
चादर.
हाँ. एक्चुअली वो चादर के बाद जब मैं सुबह उठूंगा.
मुझे ठीक से सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. चादर.
अबे चादर मोड़. मैं कह रहा हूँ सुबह की जो चाय पीने के जो टाइम पे उसके अंदर जो डालने वाला जो शक्कर है
हाँ.
वो चाहिए. चाय के अंदर डालने के लिए कॉफी पीना है मुझे, लेकिन इनको चाय पीना है पूरा टाइम.
Anand, don't do this. Don't do this. Look at her. See how upset. See how upset she is.
ग्रीन टी पियोगे?
नहीं, तुम जहर पिला दो, जहर ही पिला दो मुझे।
नहीं वो कैलोरीज ज्यादा है ना उसमें। लिख के दे दिया उसे।
See, Anand, Rashi is not able to do it. She's trying her level best. She told me. I've tasted it myself. It's not good. I get it. But such is marriage.
आपका भी ऐसा ही मिलता है आपको?
My personal life is not that.
अच्छा हाँ, you're not paying us, okay?
Yes.
See, all I'm asking for is chai in the morning.
Correct.
Yes.
Correct. She's not able to give you.
Chai in the morning. Because she's not able to wake up on.
Anand, she's able to give you the chai. That is what you want.
Okay. But is that enough?
Clearly, it is not.
It's not enough.
It's never enough.
You want it a specific way.
Of course, I want chai without shakkar in my bed. When I wake up, I want the chai mine. ठीक है?
And Rashi, will you be willing to give that chai the way he wants? Like generally everybody else would want?
All I do is I use oat milk in my chai.
Oh my God,
What's
Rashi.
wrong with my chai?
Nobody wants this. Stay here, Rashi.
He's lactose intolerant.
Go.
मैं घर में बांधूं तो तुमको क्या तकलीफ है? लगाया ना हमने डायसन का एयर प्यूरीफायर। उसके बाद भी आदमी अपने घर में बांध नहीं सकता असल
सब कर सकता है। Rashi,
Yes.
try.
Yes, I will try.
Try. Try making yourself happy. But will you make her happy?
I can try. I try.
How will you make her happy?
Just by listening to her.
Listening to her.
Yeah.
How many times have you told him to do what you want him to do and he has failed to do it?
I mean, every afternoon you fail to do it.
Exactly. You need to buy a new one. Clearly it is very old.
देखो, sometimes the suction is not strong enough. Sometimes it doesn't work as we thought it would. मैंने कोशिश पूरी करी थी।
आपने कोशिश पूरी की है खुद के हाथ पे काम करने की।
हाँ।
लेकिन नहीं हुआ।
नहीं हो रहा है।
राशि के बिना ये काम नहीं हो सकता।
मतलब हो सकता है लेकिन मजा नहीं आता। To be honest, वो सेम नहीं है सर। देखो,
It's time we accepted the ugly truth, Anand. There's just far too many holes in your underwear.
तो इसका मतलब हम बाहर कपड़े नहीं सुखा सकते दोपहर में?
See, Anand, you need only one hole filled. And you need Rashi's for it. You cannot fill it on your own. You're struggling.
I know.
We all are struggling.
Please be self-sufficient.
Fill your own holes.
हम इनके लिए
Anand, what happened to the one that you got in the box?
it broke.
And
See, what happened is I tried to open it. ठीक है? I read the instruction manual. It said very very clearly. First, set up. Second, try on your own.
what?
Yeah.
What? I'm gonna
It
ask
is a
you.
2% job. It is a 1% job.
It is literally the simplest job in the world.
बस झाड़ू मारना है,
नहीं.
सफाई रखनी है, कितनी सारी चीजें हैं जो तुमको चाहिए.
See, your marriage was very low. It was very low, almost reaching 0%.
Yeah.
Slowly they are coming up. 10, 20, 30, 40%. Do you want it to be 100%?
Of course.
How will you do it, Anand?
You
Arey
don't
yaar.
have to steal mine every night.
Exactly.
Okay, you don't have to steal
Anand, you need to be self-sufficient.
But what if I enjoy my socket more than yours?
What?
You enjoy my socket, that's why you keep using it.
I know, because I need that charger. हमारे से मेरा fast charge होता है. तुम्हारे चार्जर से
Good. Finally.
मेरा पिन थोड़ा ढीला है
And see. Thank you so much, guys. My name is Asad Khan, and we are a part of Ashu Rachna School of Improv. You can see the board over there, Ashu Rachna School of Improv, and वहाँ पे barcode के scan भी कर सकते हो to find us up there. And sorry, guys.
Yeah.
First stage destroy kar diya.
Sahil should be okay with what's going to happen now.
Yeah. All right. Thank you so much, guys, for your time, and it is an absolute honor right now, guys, to present to you guys the one, the only, Sahil Shah.
Okay, thank you. I've not paid them to say that. All right.